Hello, my name is Cynthia Rowland and I'm an anti-aging expert. I have some tips for you today regarding your personal property, like things you should never, ever share, not with your sister, not with your girlfriend, not with your husband. These 6 items are: 1 is your makeup brush, your mascara, your favorite lipstick, your hairbrush, your toothbrush, and even your comb. All of these items can contain bacteria, and if your immune system is depressed in any way, that bacteria might glom on to you or to that person who has used your products. So to keep everything neat and tidy and safe, make sure you never let anyone borrow your makeup brush, your mascara, your lipstick, your toothbrush, your hairbrush, or even that favorite new comb of yours. Until next time, Cynthia saying, see you later. Have a great day.